due to which one quality is success certain? We were discussing this very thing because only a few people are successful in this world. So we want to know due to which quality success can be achieved in life? Out of all the disciples, one disciple asked this question to his Zen master. Suddenly there was a noise in the ashram, and the Zen master was surprised. How can there be so much noise in a peaceful ashram? Immediately he came out and saw that his three most intelligent and senior disciples were talking loudly among themselves. The Zen master called the three disciples to him and asked the reason for the argument. A disciple said, due to which one quality is success certain? We were discussing this very thing because we have read many books on meditation and sadhana and done many things here in the ashram over the years, due to which different abilities have developed in all of us. Like there is one disciple among us who is hardworking and brave, never shying away from any difficult task. The second disciple is very smart, who can understand and learn very quickly. It also reads humans easily. The third disciple has a lot of knowledge. It sees what we cannot see. He accurately predicts what will happen in the future. The disciple further said, we wanted to know which one of these qualities is most important for success? Zen master thought for a while and said, I will give you an answer in a few days. A few days later, an invitation came from a high mountain ashram in Bhutan. There is going to be a competition here. Send the best disciples of your ashram. Zen master called those three disciples and told them about the letter that had come from Bhutan and said, there you people are being called for a competition. All three of you go, and after going there, all three of you will get the answer to the question. The Zen master further said, take another disciple with you. He knows the mountain paths. The next day, the four disciples set out on the journey. On the way, the three disciples kept discussing among themselves. The fourth disciple was the most junior. He had come to the ashram only a few years ago, and there was no special talent visible in this. That's why he kept following them silently. While walking, the four disciples passed through a city. There was a prestigious university here, where many topics were to be discussed in a function. These four disciples were also asked to participate in this 3-day event. So the knowledgeable disciple said, you guys travel. It's just a matter of 3 days. I have read a lot. I will make my master proud by participating in the discussion here. The money received along with this will be useful for the ashram. I will cover the 3-day route in a few days. After a few days, the 3 remaining disciples passed through a village, where the village head stopped the disciples and said, we are building a big dharamshala here, but we have never built such a big building. That is why our work is stuck in the middle. Please help us for a few days. In return, we will donate to your ashram. The diligent disciple said, it's just a matter of 4 days. These people have already built half the building. Now the most important work is to put the roof. I will teach them the work and come back in 4 or 5 days. I will cover the journey of 4 days on horseback. Within a week, the knowledgeable disciple and the hard-working disciple left. The clever disciple was understanding the pattern. The clever disciple also felt a little jealous. Both of them will come later and talk about big things, and they will also be praised a lot in the ashram. But the clever disciple also became cautious. He thought, even after years of practice, both of them could not escape distraction. I will be careful. Now both the disciples walked day and night and reached near the mountain. It was already night, and the forest was about to start. So they knocked on the door of a house near the forest. A beautiful girl opened the door and started crying. She told, father had gone to the forest in the morning. He did not return home till evening, so mother and brother have also gone to look for him. You guys have come at the right time. I am alone. Stay here tonight. Both the disciples rested at night and started preparing for the journey in the morning. Then the girl said, wait for some more time. I am alone. The clever disciple was attracted by her beauty in the night itself. He said to the fourth disciple, look, this poor girl needs us. I will stop. You go ahead. I will leave from here by evening and will meet you at the top of the mountain. Wait for me before the ashram. The fourth disciple reached the ashram. There was a question-answer competition organized. It responded based on what it heard from the 3 disciples in these 20 days and what it learned from the experience of the journey and won the competition. The remaining 3 disciples reached the competition, but they arrived a day late, when the 4 disciples returned to the Zen master. So Zen master said, you people must have got the answer to your question. The most important quality for success is consistency, always moving forward, and consistency means being consistent with whatever small action or change you want to bring. No matter how small the action is, if you have consistency, results automatically starts to show up. Consistency is like a river, just as a river cuts the mountain and makes path for itself. Not because the river is stronger than the mountain, although the later one is stronger, however, it's the persistent nature and consistency of the river that makes it the winner against the mountain. Consistency is a great power because due to consistency, Other qualities can be learned and shortcomings can be eliminated. Therefore, consistency is the only quality which is necessary for success. We have many kind of people in the world. Some are stronger, some are very fast, some are intelligent. You can see all of these qualities in different people. However, consistency is a hidden quality which only arises when the times are difficult. Friends, whatever field you are in, whether you feel that you are talented or not, the most effective and powerful advice would be to bring consistency within yourself, because consistency is the only quality that will help you achieve success in your life. If you enjoyed this story, please consider subscribing to VidGrowth and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your insights in any stories. Until next time, be positive and keep moving forward.